in a world I don't wanna say just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money but the cost is double. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer.
Good morning! Oh my god. Can you tell I'm so tired today? This is like too many nights in a row of 6 to 6.5 hours of sleep instead of 7 to 8 hours of sleep. But it's Tuesday. I work today. It is my last day for a couple days because I don't work again until Friday. So I thought I would bring you guys along on a day in my life as a nurse. If you guys are new to my channel, I am a nurse and I work in Pediatric Oncology and Hematology, and I'm officially a day shifter, which is crazy. I need to post a video explaining what happened. Until then, just know an explanation is coming. I am enjoying my breakfast. I always have to force myself to eat because yes, it's really easy to get nauseous in the morning, but like at the same time, if I don't eat right away, then I get nauseous too. I might as well have some like fuel. So I had Greek yogurt, fruit, and granola, which is like one of my go-to breakfasts. I try to mix it up, but it kind of cycles in between the same like couple breakfast foods. Yogurt parfait, oatmeal, egg bites. Yesterday was special because I had leftover French toast and fruit. So that was like fancy breakfast. And then I always have a cup of green tea. So that's what I'm having right now. I feel like there's a lot of talking at work and a lot of like time in a mask. So I always put like tea in my honey. Whoa. I always put honey in my tea. This morning I'm just watching some Jimmy Kimmel. Sometimes it's nice just to wake up with something funny. I try to hang out in bed as much as humanly possible. If you can see next to me over there, I have exactly what I'm wearing today because I have to be in my bed as long as possible. I'm so tired. If I'm gonna wake up this early, that's how it works. I'm gonna keep watching my video and then we have to finish packing our lunch and do our hair, pack clothes for tennis because I have tennis today after work. So I'm gonna bring all my clothes and things there. So it's a crazy day. Let's finish our relaxing morning so that we can get through today. Yesterday I was break shift nurse, so I'm on the schedule to be break shift nurse today, which is kind of nice. But yesterday was really busy. We have so many sick kids right now. We'll take you along and we'll see how today compares to yesterday because every day is different in nursing. That's one of the fun little special treats.
Every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money but the cost is double. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pop, so we about to get it poppin' now. Quiet life of desperation, so I'ma have to live a little louder. No, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out.
All right, you guys, we are ready. We have 10 minutes to go. So I am just gonna finish packing my lunch here. As you can tell, I wait till the very last minute to do things, which means I'm very blessed to have my Factor meals. You guys know I'm obsessed with Factor. They're sponsoring today's video and they are helping me make sure that I can eat good food quickly. If you guys don't know what Factor is, they send you ready to eat meals that are ready in under 2 minutes. There's no prep, no cleanup. They have a variety of plans. You can order anywhere from 4 to 18 meals per week, and you can always skip a week or reschedule as needed. Today we are having the delicious sun-dried tomato and spinach fusilli pasta. This is actually one of their vegetarian meals, but they have meals to suit all preferences, which is so great. I am obsessed with that one, and I personally just love having a filling meal during my break time, especially being on day shift. I've noticed that I get so hungry, so having like a real meal rather than just like snacks, which is what I had more on nights, has been really helpful. I also forgot to show you that they have a variety of other things like juices, protein shakes. I'm bringing this juice. It is a apple beet ginger cold pressed juice. If you work in healthcare, I feel like you relate to the fact that there's just an abundance of different drinks that you drink throughout the day, like your coffee, your water, your juice. You gotta have it all. If you guys are interested in trying Factor for yourself, you can go to factor75.com and use my code Kiara50 for 50% off your first box and then 20% off your next box. That's code Kiara50 for 50% off your first box and 20% off your next box. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box too, so you can click there and it'll take you to the site. I love having their meals for my lifestyle. You guys know how busy I am, so it just works for me. And just like that, we have 7 minutes to go. So let's pack our bag. I have to get all ready for tennis today. These are the things that I put in my pocket. AirPods always go on this side. I have my pen on this side. Highlighter for when I'm break shifter so I can highlight who's going on break. My sunglasses. This is more of a driving thing. Okay, tennis bag. I feel like I'm gonna change at work, so I'm gonna bring a different bag with my tennis clothes in it because I leave right from work. Bringing my knee brace. I did not ice my knee this morning. I think I did something to my hamstring, some sort of like tendonitis or something, and I have been icing behind like my knee every morning because I'm trying to rest it. Slides. I feel like I put an outfit in here. Socks, a tennis shirt that I'm gonna wear. I might see if I have a different skirt. This one is like from high school, so it's very small. Right now I'm doing tennis twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'm going through my tennis skirts rather quickly. This is a cute like Viore one that I really like. Today's gonna be high of 71. I'm just gonna grab a jacket really quick for tannies, like a warm-up jacket. This will do. Perfect. Now I have outfit options depending on what I'm in the mood for. I have my shoes, my entire tennis pack. I got all the goods. We're ready to get out of here. I feel like my compression socks are so cute today. They are from Comrade. I've been obsessed with their socks lately. I wore them yesterday. We're getting the badge reel on. I'm 90% sure I left my water bottle at work yesterday, so I'll just fill that up when I get there. This. Let's go and have a good day. To work. I'm just digging for my aquaphor. We're gonna have a good day. We're gonna get through this. We're gonna learn stuff. These are all of the things that I hype myself up for as I walk into the hospital. I just fill myself with gratitude. I've been doing that ever since I was like in high school. Fill myself with gratitude that I get to work my dream job. Hype myself up. I'm like ready to work, ready to learn, ready to have a good day. It's crazy how fast 12 hours can go by when you're busy. Let's go.
You draw me in slowly, brown eyes stare at me boldly. I wanna take a chance on you, real life loving you so true. I want long talks, Friday nights, kissing by the poolside. All night, 2 a.m. clear skies, dancing under shining lights. All night. Tell me why I can't sleep without you at my side. You got me feeling like before when you.
Alright, it's officially lunchtime for the Health Factor meal. Day's going well. It's busy, but it's been good. I feel helpful. I like when it's busy as a break shift nurse because it makes it go by faster. I'll talk more about some of the things that I did today. For now, we're gonna eat and relax. Oh, let's eat. Oh, it's hot. Looks delish. We're gonna try a little bit. It's really hot though. A little zucchini on the side. Comfort food. So good. I'm gonna finish this and then we're gonna go back to work. I feel kind of funny, but you know, I have tennis in like 30 minutes, so we're making it happen.
Smooth talk made me feel so right. You know I took a chance.
Survived the day. Now we're gonna go play some tennis.
Now I need you to follow through. I need long talks, Friday nights, kissing by the poolside. All night, 2 a.m. clear skies, dancing under shining lights. All night.
We made it home. We made it. Tennis was fun. At first I was like annoyed at myself because I wasn't playing the best. But then it started getting better and it was good and I won 3 out of 4 matches. So I call that a win. And now I really have to go to the bathroom. This always happens. So one sec. Okay, on the agenda for tonight since I do not have to work tomorrow, but I do have a dentist appointment tomorrow, I need to shower, have dinner, check my emails, ice my leg, because tennis definitely makes it flare up for sure. It's just angry at me. It's annoying because I can still run and do all the stuff. Anyway, let's see what we have. I'm just gonna have another Factor meal for dinner because it's just easy and they're good. And I don't really feel like cooking because at this point I am now tired and I just want to watch a show, do my allotted tasks, and move on with my life. We're having ground beef, cabbage, chili with garlic, green beans, and red bell peppers. I'm gonna eat and like chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna get up and we're gonna do the stuff on our to-do list. What I usually have to do on nights like this where I have a lot that I want to get done is I just make a to-do list right off the bat. Like right now, I'm gonna go make a to-do list and I'm gonna put everything that I want to get done on it so I can feel accomplished. Sorry, it got dark. And so I can sleep in tomorrow because my dentist appointment's at 9:30. I am gonna have to get out of bed and get going with my life. And while I'm watching a show and having dinner, I'm gonna ice my leg. So if you're a PT and know how to help like either some sort of like tendonitis of the hamstring, let me know. That's what I think I have. That's my self-diagnosis. And it's so hard because it's like I want to strengthen my muscle, but I don't want to overwork it too much because it feels better when I rest it. Anyway, we're trying to make smart choices and listen to our body. But like everything, it's a balance. So we're balancing. Okay, I am gonna watch a show. I feel like there's not a new episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians because it comes out on Wednesday. There's something about watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians, like really chill random TV after a shift of some deep stuff that really makes me feel better. So I don't know, maybe I'll find some like random show that I find interesting enough to watch, but that's not like too deep. If you know, you know. That's my food. Let's eat. And the most important part of this puzzle, the nurse burrito. Very important. Tortilla blanket so that we can fully nurse burrito. I watched a show with Doug the other day on Netflix and I feel like I fell asleep through half of it. We're gonna finish the other half. I think it's called Dancing with the Devil on Netflix. Yeah, I definitely fell asleep. So we're gonna rewatch the last half of the last episode. Let me try my food really quick so I can give you guys a review of this dish. I love anything with green beans. I love the protein in this. Delish. Well, you guys, I'm clearly in the same spot as I was before, so not much has changed, but I've actually done stuff. Did a lot of emailing, transferred my records from one dentist to the next. It's probably not going to get there in time, but I put some work in. You know, adulting is hard. It's imperfect. We did that, paid all my credit cards off, and now I'm officially so tired. I need to shower and then go to bed. So that's what we're going to do. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and coming along with me on this day in my life as a nurse. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Today's question of the day is going to be, what is your summer activity going to be to keep you active, keep you fun? Like, what are your plans this summer? It can be an activity or it can be fun plans. Let me know what you guys are doing down below. Big thank you again to Factor for sponsoring this video. You guys can use my code Kiara50 and go to factor75.com to get 50% off your first box as well as 20% off your second box. And if you click that link in the description box, it'll take you right there to the website. I love you guys so much. Sweet dreams.
Oh,